in tears. And not to mention the doubts and the fears, the hypertension we gave to peers. It's really funny to look back after all these years. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here's where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be oceans away, but here's where my heart will stay with you. With you, my friends, with you.
There are times when I'm lying in my bed, how I pillow and cry from this stupid gag, and my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day, almost rubbed down, swelling as I keep on digging my face in this cold hands of mine. Heaven knows how bitter I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? I feel like catching 40 winks, being up all night in this elbow room that puts me in a trance, where hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from this fuse I make. Still I light another cigarette just to pass my time. Oh, heaven knows how embittered I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me?
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We
Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Would you hold my hand if I saw you in heaven? Would you help me stand if I saw you in heaven? I'll find my way. Cause I know I just can't stay here in heaven.
Happy birthday to you.
Time can bring you down, time can bend your knees. Time can break your heart, have you begging please, begging please. Beyond the door, there's peace, I'm sure, and I know there'll be no more tears in heaven. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. 'Cause I know I don't belong here in heaven.
It must have been cold there in my shadow.
shine, that's your way. You always walked a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name for so long. A beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I can fly high ang iyong pangalan. Malilimutan ba ng ina ang anak na galing sa kanya? Sanggol sa kanyang sinapupunan, paano niya matatalikdan? Ngunit kahit na malilimutan ng ina ang anak niyang tangan, hindi kita malilimutan. Kailan may di pababayaan, hindi kita malilimutan. Kailan may di
Malilimutan ba ng Diyos Ama na ikaw ay katumbas ng buhay niya? Mula ika'y sanggol, inalagaan niya. Paano niya matatalikdan? Minsa'y ating nakakalimutan na tayo ay nanggaling sa Kanya. Hindi Kanya malilimutan, kailan may di pababayaan. Hindi Kanya malilimutan, minsan siya'y iyong iniwanan. Hindi Kanya kinalimutan, kahit madalas mo siyang talikdan. O kay buti mo, Panginoon, kailan may hindi kami pinabayaan. Hindi kita malilimutan.
may hihigit pa ba sa isang katulad mo? Inang mapagmahal na totoo. Lahat ng buti ay naroon sa puso mo. Buhay man ay handang ialay mo. Walang inang matiis ang isang anak. himig at titik ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ika'y nag-iisa, ikaw lang sa mundo, ang may pusong wagas, ganyan ang tulad mo. Lahat ibibigay, lahat gagawin mo, ganyan lagi ikaw sa anak mo. Lahat ng buti niya ang laging hangad mo, patawad ay lagi sa puso mo. Walang inang matitiis ang isang anak, ika'y dakila at higit ka sa lahat. Ang awit na ito ay alay ko sa'yo, ang himig at titik ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ika'y nag-iisa, ikaw lang sa mundo, ang may pusong wagas, ganyan ang tulad mo. Ang awit na ito ay alay ko sa'yo, ang himig at titik ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ika'y nag-iisa, ikaw lang sa mundo, ang may pusong wagas, ganyan ang tulad mo. Sa buhay kong ito, tanging pangarap lang ang iyong pagmamahal ay makamdam. Kahit na sandali kita ay mamasdan, ligaya ay tila bang walang hanggan. Sana'y di na magising kung nangangarap man din, kung ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay madarama, minsan din ay luluha, di ka na maninindig.
Dala. Bukan ng uboy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate LJ. Kain na, guys, kain na. Ang budget, guys, kaya ano, medyo ano, ang game.
Bukan mo.
Ito yung spaghetti ko. Ganun na ako kayo. Matakot ko. Kain na.
Sasayang mga araw na kasama kita. Paglalambing at kulit mo na hindi nakakasawa. Punong-puno ng ligaya ang ating pagsasama, na parang wala nang sisira ng lahat. Bakit ba dumating ang oras na ito? Nabalitaan ko na wala ka na. Di ba't sabi mo hindi mo ko iwan? Di pa ba mayan na ako'y mag-isa? Di ba't sabi mo sabay tayong tatanda? Bakit bigla ka na lang nandyan sa kabilang buwan? Paano na lahat? Paano na ako? Tayo di ba't sinabi mo sa'kin na sabay tayong mangangarap? Bakit bigla kang lumisan nang hindi man lang nagpaalam? Isang malamig na hangin ang iyong makap sa akin.
sasabihin ito sa'yo. Di ko ito ginusto na tayo'y magkalayo, ngunit di magkasundo, damdamin laging di magtagpo. Alam na aking mahal, kay hirap sabihin. Paalam na aking mahal, masakit isipin na kahit nagmamahalan pa, puso't isip ay magkaiba. Maaaring bilang laan sa isa't isa. Sana'y huwag mong isipin na pag-ibig ko'y di tunay, dahil sa'yo lang naadamang isang pag-ibig na walang kapantay. Ngunit masasaktan lang kung puso ang pagbibigyan, kahit pamamaalam ang siyang bulong ng isipan. Paalam na aking mahal, kay hirap sabihin. Paalam na aking mahal, masakit isipin na kahit nagmamahalan pa, puso't isip ay magkaiba. Maaaring bilang laan sa isa't isa.
Try mo ma, try mo kasi ma. Kaya nga, try mo muna, try mo muna. Try mo kasi muna. Sakay pa.
Wala pa.
Aking mahal, kay hirap sabihin. Paalam na
Kung ang buhay ay isang umagang nakangiti, at ikaw ay ang lupang sinusuyo ng bituin, di mo man siling ang langit, di mo man siling, ito ay nandirito pa rin. Kung ang lahat ay may katapusan, paroroonan at sa iyong paglisan ang tanging pabaon ko ay pag-ibig. Sa pagbuhos ng ulan, sa haplos ng hangin, alaala mo ay nakauki sa pisngi ng langit.
Di man umihip ang hangin, di man umihip, ika'y nandirito pa rin.
Kung ang lahat ay may katapusan,